Hello, I'm going to tell you about the Winsor & Newton watercolour markers. The important thing to know is that these are a professional watercolour tool with high quality, light fast and permanent pigments. They have two nibs, a fine point which could be used as a graphic or drawing tool, or you can apply the colour straight from the brush nib. You can thin the colour by dipping the nib in water and then work with that colour directly on the surface and even blend the colours. As the pigment has been milled fine enough to flow consistently through the nib, you want a sized watercolour paper that can keep the colour on the surface if you want to get rid of all the nib marks and leave you with the consistent colour. The colour from these markers is completely intermixable with all other Winsor & Newton pan, tube and stick colours, as well as all the mediums. So if I take a professional Winsor & Newton pan colour and mix it with the colour from this phthalo blue-red shade watercolour marker, you'll see that they mix cleanly and easily. Finally, two or more of the marker colours can be mixed on a palette and then applied to the paper. And when dry, this can be worked onto using the fine point nib. I hope you get the chance to enjoy these markers sometime soon.